What is going on, everybody? Today we have the new Cold Steel Verdict in the house. This is the more premium version than the one that I just did not too long ago. This one obviously has the better blade steel and G10 instead of plastic, basically. So let's take a look at it and see what we have in this little knife. A lot of emphasis on little knife because it seems like Cold Steel's knives seem to be getting smaller. I mean, just the packaging alone kind of really tells you that it's a small knife. But anyway, either way, we have a 3-inch blade, 7¼ inches overall, OS 10A steel, 2.5 ounces, blade thickness 3mm, handle in G10, so on and so forth. Here you go, Tanto point. And let's grab the other one here and use this one to open the packaging. Alright, so that's the original version with the FRN plastic handles. Get this one out of here. Okay, yep, definitely small. So we have the FDE handle, just pretty nice. And first off, I will say that it's definitely thinner than the other one. So let's see if we can get that a little more in. So it's definitely thinner. They didn't do any contouring or anything with the G10, just straight flattened it out. But feels good. Oh, flips pretty decent. First impressions, yeah, it's thin, but actually it feels pretty good. For my hand, I mean medium hand, I kind of lock into it really nicely. Right into those little kind of finger grooves, which this one does have too. So for a smaller knife, yeah, feels pretty decent in the hand. Reverse flick, it just seems pretty good. I'm better with my middle finger flick than I am with my thumb flick anymore. I just tend to use that. But yeah, overall, I mean, it would have been nice to have a little more thickness in the handle if they had done the same thing with that they did on this one, where they gave it a little bit of rounding, a little bit more thickness. They can do that with G10. Doesn't appear to be any liners in here at all. And, you know, that's something that I think that they could have done. So we have black backspacer. Typical pattern that they're doing on G10 now with Cold Steel. Yeah, it's got a nice thickness. I mean, I got a nice edge. Yeah, overall, it's alright, like I said. Just a little bit of a difference in the thicknesses for sure. Otherwise, same pocket clip. Again, could have some recessed screws. I mean, there's definitely could be some improvements. I think they kind of really I mean, especially for this knife here. I mean, it's $100 knife, and I mean, you don't even get recessed screws in a pocket clip. Seriously, then they don't give you any contouring or any thickness, and don't even give you any liners either. I mean, obviously not that you're going to use such a small knife for anything excessively aggressive. You're not going to really use it for some hard use, but I will say I do like it better, honestly, than this one. I have a thing about the FRN plastic handles. It really bugs the heck out of me, and I think really, in all honesty, I think the G10 just feels better in the hand. I don't know, maybe it's just me, maybe I just really kind of more of a fan and more used to the G10 and how it feels. But it could use some thickness. I mean, they really could have, like I said, if they had just done a little bit thicker handles. Did a little, even just thicker G10 would have been a little bit nicer. Than they didn't even have to do the contouring. They just really could have gone a little thicker on that handle material, especially considering, like I said, they don't have any. Doesn't appear that they have any liners. Let me. Yeah, no, it doesn't look like there's any liners in there that I can see at all. Nope. So, yeah, like I said, overall, it's nice. It's small. Again, price-wise, I mean, this one here, it's what, $52, $55. So it's not exactly inexpensive. Prices of everything are pretty much going crazy right now with the way everything is. But there you guys go. That is the new verdict with the more premium steel and G10 handles. Alright guys, that is it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. We will catch you next time. Have a great day.